back. So don't let me waste time. So you can see this guy is adding thumbnail. You can see this guy over here is adding thumbnails. This is called thumbnail. For those that don't know about this, it's called thumbnails. This video is for beginners. It's called thumbnail. So that is what bring people to watch your video. That's the first impression for someone to watch your video. So they are very, very relevant. Thumbnail are relevant. Do you get? Even for those that are doing prank videos, it's very, very relevant. So this video is for everyone, whether you are doing prank video, you are doing business video on YouTube, anything you want to do on YouTube. I know people that make a living out of this. They are doing videos and they are making a living out of that. So it was someone that also encouraged me to start my YouTube channel last year. I started last year. You get? So it was this black guy called Black Traveler. So his name is called Black Traveler. I started watching his videos and he said he make a living out of going touring out all the whole country and start making videos, living his best life. Then I thought to myself, I was like, guy, I think I should just up onto YouTube channel. I actually created my channel. Let me show you when I created my channel. You can say I created my channel June 11, 2016, but I started posting videos when it was just last year. Let me show you my first video when it was just 10 months ago, guys. 10 months ago. But I opened the channel 2016. So for you to know how encouraging it is to watch something and that stuff should change your life. So thanks to Black Traveler, I'm going to tag him in this video. It was one that encouraged me to start making videos. You get? I'm not the type that make videos. Alright, so let's go to where we are. So for the first thing I will talk about is the apps you need to use to start editing your videos. What are the two apps that I use? I just use two apps. I don't use much. I also use my laptop. I don't even like using my laptop. I like using my phone because anywhere I go, I can edit my videos. Alright, so let me show you the two apps I use. I use InShot and Capcut. Those are the two apps I use, InShot and Capcut. That is InShot. Then we have Capcut on the other hand. So this is Capcut over here. So we have Capcut. I'm just showing you the logo so you know how they look like in case you want to download it. So the differences between the two apps are that InShot is mainly for beginners, while Capcut is for professionals. If you want to edit professional videos, do you understand? So those are the major differences. So when you get to InShot, the first thing you see, this is the interface. This is the first interface. This is how it looks like. Then if you want to edit your video, you click on what? Videos. Then you click on new. So when you get here, you pick the videos you want to edit. Either you want to start a movie recap video or a prank recap, reaction videos like a Kabilame and all that. Anyone you feel like doing. So you pick your video. So let me pick my videos here. So once you pick your videos, you see that the logo is there. You can see the logo of InShot over here. Always remove the logo. It's also called watermark. Do you understand? It's also called watermark. I'm not making a full video on InShot. I'm just explaining the basics of InShot and Capcut. So once you've added your new video, let me assume that this video now is not where I want it to be. So you hold it. Okay, it's already here. So you can see this is the video. You can see that this video has a name, like it has a subtitle. You can see that the video has a subtitle on it. The subtitle is actually done from Capcut. I didn't use InShot to make that. It's done from Capcut. So you can add as many videos you want. You click on the plus icon to add more videos. Do you understand? So this is basically, then you can check other one, music. If you want to add music, you can add your music. You can add your text. So you can just check it out. So let me go to Capcut. Then if you want to add a watermark, you click on PIP, or you want to add overlay, what we call overlay. So you click on PIP, then you pick what you want to overlay on it. Do you understand? So I will not be saying much here. Then this is basically, then if you want animations, you click on animation over here, then you add your animations and the rest of it. So let me go to Capcut. Let me just dive down to Capcut. Since I've already shown you the logo for Capcut, I will just enter into Capcut directly. So this is Capcut. You can see for Capcut we have cameras, we have retouch. That's for your face in case you want to do some editing. That's photo editing. In your videos we have your pictures there, your face are showing. So if you want your face to be clear, you want to add some effect, that's why I said this is for professionals. It's different from InShot. Actually, the disadvantage of Capcut is that is using your data. It's going to be using your data, but the data that it is using is not as much as what you think. You get, it's just little data. Even though you have, if it's 100 MB, it can still do what you want it to do. Do you understand? So we have captions. In case you want to add captions, that caption that I showed you in that video, then you want to auto cut. If you don't know what to do, or you don't know how to edit the video, you can do what we call an automatic editing. Then if you want to read from your screen, let me assume that you want to do a video that you'll be reading from your screen. You can see what I'm seeing here. So this is actually my face. You can see, you can do prompt reading. You add your script up there, then you look at your screen and be reading what is there. People will assume that you are looking at the camera, but you are not looking at the camera. You are reading what you wrote there, meaning you are reading what you didn't really, cram, or what you didn't really plan for. Do you understand? So anyways, let me remove this. This is for professional, like I said. So but before I continue, kindly subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon if you like the kind of videos I post. Just click on and like the video. I'll be doing more of this. So, and also we'll be taking a course which is on content creation for those that want to venture into YouTube perfectly. Totally want to venture into YouTube or social media, any social media. Want to start doing pranks, maybe prank videos, comedies, movie recap, prank recap, reaction videos, how to edit videos. We are going to talk about everything. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon. Then also in the description section or in the comment section, I'm going to leave a link where you will join the WhatsApp group or the Telegram channel, any of the two, so you can join us when we start. It's actually a free course, it's a free class. Alright, so you can join us. So let me go into the editor page of Capcut. So this is the editor page, just like InShot, but this is quite different from InShot. So here we have edits. So if you want to edit, you can see after clicking on edit, let me assume that you want to cut a particular part. That's where split comes in. You click on split, it's going to cut that place you don't want. Then you can delete it. You can see delete over here. So there are many things on here. Then if you want to lock on screen, let me say for those that do dance videos, as your face is moving, you want your video to be moving as well, as if you have a cameraman that is following you as you are dancing. That's what we call lock on. If you want to remove the background of a person in a video, that's where the cut out comes in. You get this cut out comes in. So another thing is, if you want to do your face retouch, there's what we call face retouch. So you can click on the video that you want to work on, then you come to you can go to filter, but you can use retouch. So use retouch, then you click on face retouch, then you see a lot of it. You see the automatic retouch. Automatically is going to retouch your face. Then even the body as well. You want to make your body large, anyhow you want to do it. That is everything over here. Do you understand? So that is how this works. I will do more videos on this, but for now this is where I'll be stopping. Then you click on download and you will download your video. So please subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Then if you have any question, just go to the comment section and leave your comments. Then for the course as well, there will be a link that, like I said, there will be a link. Then if you can't see the link, just type I can't see the link. Then I will drop the link for you. I always respond. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.